This is Village Auto's 2013 Chevrolet Impala LTZ 4-door sedan. Very clean 2-owner vehicle. Accident-free verified through AutoCheck. The rear defrost, rear spoiler, dual exhaust, alloy wheels. Very sharp, well-maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $10,330. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a full leather interior, exceptionally clean. You do have the full power options: power driver side seat, power passenger seat, power moonroof, HomeLink OnStar, AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input, dual climate control, heated front leather seats, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. This one has only 77,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2013 Chevrolet Impala LTZ home with